Hey, HVAC and appliance repair business owners. Welcome back to the Appliance Experts. Today, we're talking about a game changer for HVAC and appliance repair businesses: Google Business Profile bookings and appointments. Now, juggling phone calls and emails for appointments can be a major drain on your time. This latest blog post dives deep into how you can leverage a free service to simplify scheduling and potentially boost your bookings. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll learn. 1. Get more bookings with Google Reserve if available in your area. Did you know Google offers a booking platform called Reserve with Google? This allows potential customers to schedule appointments directly through your Google Business Profile. We'll explain how it works and if it's available for your business. 2. Compatible platforms for streamlined scheduling. Not all scheduling platforms work with Google Reserve, but fear not. We'll walk you through popular compatible platforms like Appointy, Bookeo, Square Appointments, etc., and how they can integrate seamlessly with Google Reserve for a smooth booking experience. 3. How to set up Reserve with Google. Once you've identified a compatible platform, we'll guide you step by step through the setup process of Reserve with Google. It's easier than you might think. 4 and 5. See how bookings work and manage them easily. Curious what the booking process looks like for your customers? We'll show you how it works from their perspective. Plus, we'll explain where you can access and manage all your appointments booked through Google Reserve. 6. Measuring your success. Want to track the impact of Google Reserve on your business? We'll discuss how to access valuable booking data and measure its effectiveness for generating leads and appointments. 7. Beyond Google Reserve. Maybe your business needs a different approach. We'll also touch on booking requests via Google Messaging as an alternative option. 8 and 9. Maximize bookings and weigh the pros and cons. We'll explore a clever trick to add an appointment link to your Google Business Profile for even more booking options. Plus, we'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using Google Reserve to help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. 10. Flexibility turning off bookings. Life can change, and your needs might too. We'll explain how to easily disable Google Reserve if needed, ensuring you have control over your booking options. 11 and 12. Conclusion and additional resources. We'll wrap up with some key takeaways and point you towards even more resources related to optimizing your Google Business Profile. 13. Take action and boost your business. Ready to streamline bookings and attract new customers? Head over to our blog post for a comprehensive guide on setting up Google Business Profile bookings and appointments for your HVAC and appliance repair business. Lastly, 13.1. Don't forget, while you're there, consider taking advantage of our free digital marketing review session to see how we can help you take your marketing to the next level and keep your appointment calendar full. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions about Google Business Profile bookings and appointments, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more appliance repair business tips and tricks.